In this video demonstration, we show how to create a new hierarchical block and add a block to the schematic in the Allegro X System Capture tool. A hierarchical design is a complex design, which has two or more block symbols are embedded in one schematic folder. The Project Viewer setting enables you to view the blocks in the Project Explorer tree. Deselect the Layout option from the Settings tab, if you want them hidden from your Project Explorer tree. The Edit Preferences menu in your project view offers an option to adjust the project viewer settings. This gives you the power to enable or disable different elements of the project tree as per your preferences. To create a new hierarchical block, choose File, then New, and click on Block. Enter the new block name, and click OK to generate a new block. The new block is generated and contains a blank schematic sheet and an empty block symbol. Just a rectangle with no interface pins yet. Begin by opening the schematic sheet of the new block and add connectivity to it. By copying circuits from another schematic sheet and pasting them into this block sheet, you can easily complete this step. After adding the connectivity, use Resolve to immediately fix all violation errors. Interfaces to the block can be established by connecting port symbols to the respective nets. Right-click on Symbols in the Project Explorer pane and click on the Regenerate Symbols option to generate the block symbol. The generated symbol is displayed on the screen. You can edit a symbol as per your requirement. To place this newly generated block on a schematic, right-click on the newly generated block, then click on the Place a Schematic Block. Place the block on the top-level design. Right-click on Block and click on Descend to call the lower-level design. That's all the time we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.